Good night, everyone. Today I would like to show you another steel of mine. So it's a continuous reflux steel, new type, with uh, some features being amended a little bit. So it's more, I wouldn't say it's more productive, but it's more stable version, easier to control, much easier to control. Now, here we've got our percentage. It shows somewhere around 91 right now, 91%. And here's a temperature probe. So the temperature is 12.5, 12.6 degrees Celsius. It's very cold. We've got winter now. So if we'll bring the temperature up to 20 degrees, the actual temperature of the spirits testing, we would have about 94-95%, I believe. Now I don't think I would be able to bring it any higher because of the temperature. It's maximum we've got right now. And this is a small, relatively small 3 kilowatt version of this steel. I would say it's a first of its kind. There used to be similar looking ones, but they're slightly different. This one incorporates slightly new approach. It's different. It's a different one. And first one among all those new different reflux steels, continuous reflux steels. So we've got same as in an old version. Please do not confuse with the previous steel that I showed. That one was continuous fuel ethanol steel. This one is separating heads, tails and body continuously. Now this particular portion separates water, same as with ethanol fuel steel, same thing. So I would say the bottom part up to here, up to this slotted nut is similar. It's just standard with the previous type steel, like with fuel ethanol steel. But everything that goes higher, you can see there's a double heat, double cooling system, and here we've got our deflegmator for the body. Is the level of the alcohol within the deflegmator here. It's quite high. We've got reflux in there, and up there we've got an extra heat exchanger, extra head for head separation, continuous head separation. So the most volatile light fractions are going up and they're getting condensed over there, while here we've got enough of liquid within this head to prevent light fractions to go down the cooler. So it's getting evaporated from the top of the liquid pool inside. Now here's a steel, it's all running. Here we've got water. This water may contain some alcohol. If it does, it can be processed later. So it's a side column, another heat exchanger as well. And main purpose of this one is to preheat the wash and cool down some wastewater. I won't say it's wastewater, but it's water that's been separated from the spirits in this top column. So everything that goes down as a reflux, and at the bottom most heaviest fraction getting condensed and falls down, and it's getting collected and separated through this side column. Now down below we've got a steam generator, continuous steam generator, electric one. Here you can see the water in a control tube, transport control tube. It's moving up and down, so it indicates the water within the steam generator, everything's fine. Here our production again. Here's our temperature, 12.4. It fluctuates a bit, 12.4, 12.5, 12.6, but anyway it's 12 degrees Celsius. It's quite cool. It's as cool as the water that's been used for condensation, for condensing. Here we've got our heads separated constantly. I don't know if you can see it. There's the dribbles in there. Okay, and what we're processing a sugar-based wash. Quite an old one, not really strong, not much spirits in there, but anyway, still fine. I would say it's about 8% of alcohol content in there, so everything is running fine. It's getting supplied continuously with a pump. This pump supplies it in here through this transparent tube, and this green one, it's a wastewater. So it's this wastewater contains a little bit of tails and all the wash waste that's been stripped of spirits. And this is it. So here's the unit. It's over 2.5 meters high. So I had to open this opening to allow it to be installed in a workshop and to test it. Yeah, it's a skinny, thin and tall one, just 3 kilowatts. I would say production rate would be 2.5 liters at this particular strength. If you want something that would be less alcohol containing spirit, then you probably need to open up the production rate. It will decrease the content of the alcohol in the solution, in the spirits, but will increase the flow. It all depends, you know, how pure you would like to have it, you know, the amount of tails or flavor or whatever. It's just all up to you. Just the main thing, main thing to see if it's capable of highest strength or content possible. Okay, anyway, thanks a lot. I'll see you next time. There's another still waiting to be tested, So there's gonna be another one like that, but not 3 but 6 kilowatt unit, similar but 6 kilowatt unit, more productive one, and also 50-liter fractional batch steel. Gonna test very soon. It's almost finished and it's waiting a turn to be tested. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.